Hello everyone, in this video we will learn HTML structure. So HTML is a markup language, as we already discussed in the previous lectures, used to the browser to alter texts, and we use tags in HTML. There are important tags and factors of HTML documents that imply several preset tags that inform the browser about the content display property or how to show a specific provided material. To construct a paragraph, for example, use the paragraph tags p and p. So include this is the opening and the closing tag we will discuss in this lecture. And HTML tags are classified in two main types, the pair tags and the empty tags. These tags are available in two sets. They have both opening and the closing. This is called the pair tag, and the empty tags, these tags don't need to be closed. And then we will discuss the heading, and after that the body. So let's move to the VS Code. Here we have created a folder, HTML structure name, and file name is html index.html. So this is the doc type HTML. This tag, the doc type HTML, is used to tell the HTML version. This currently tells the version is HTML5, and HTML, this is language is English. This is the heading. Heading tags contain meta tags, title, page, CSS, etc., and all the HTML elements that can be used inside be used inside the heading elements, that is the style, meta, titles, non-script, script, and meta tags. And then we will use and come to the body tags. The body tag is used to enclose all the data which is a web page, has from the text to links, and that shows, as we have discussed, that this includes anything you wish to show on the web page. So here is the documents. Change the name, for example, HTML structure whatever structure. Okay, now let's check. You can see this is HTML structure. Then here we also can link our CSS page. For example, if I make their style CSS, this is our CSS. Here we use the coding to give style to our website page. So here we also use to link in the heading that HTML page with CSS. Now come to the body tag. In the body tag, the tag are used that are shown in the web page, encloses all the data. So for example, I use here paragraph p. You can see here this is the opening tag and this is the closing tag. Let me enlarge for you. You can see now this is the opening and this is the closing tag. We use this in the body tag. Here we can also use the heading tag. You can see the opening tag and the closing tag. And in the paragraph, for example, I used lorem ipsum, 20 words. Now you can see this is what display on our web pages. So it's work in a body tag. In between, this is the heading. I will give heading here, so it will clear you. HTML structure, Now you can see this is the heading HTML structure and this is the paragraph. So these are the introduction of the HTML structures. In the next lecture we will discuss in details. Thanks for watching.